Guys, have you been craving the best ever cranberry sauce to go with your turkey or ham or dessert? Just watch till the end and you will know in seconds, guys. But before you watch the video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all our newest videos, and to comment what else you want to see us do, and to make sure to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. And yeah, bye guys.
Starting on making the cranberry sauce. So for this recipe, I'm going to need some brown sugar, some cranberry, some cinnamon stick, some dry cranberry also. I'm going to incorporate that inside it too. I'm going to use some cranberry juice also, a little pinch of salt inside it, and yeah, that's what. So I'm going to just add me some brown sugar inside this pot because I'm going to make like a caramel.
Kiss.
It's about that amount.
Mommy,
Yes,
mommy,
baby.
mommy. This is right there.
Okay, I'm coming just now. I'm going to add me some water, just a little bit.
Mr. Water?
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yes, baby. I'm going to add me 2 cinnamon stick to the pot, and I'm going to put it over here to boil. See, this is the way how I want it, the caramel to look inside the pot. So what I'm going to do, I just wash some of the cranberry because I'm not going to use all, and I'm just going to throw them inside the pot like that, and the caramel with the cinnamon stick. At this time now, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it. Hallelujah. Jesus. As I go in, I remember I have an apple inside my fridge. So why not add a piece of apple to it? It's all about the holidays. It's all about doing it as you go in. So I'm just peeling my apple, half of the apple. I'm going to slice it. Slice it up, roughly slice it. Just like that. And I'm going to add it to my caramel. Look how, before I add it, look at that. Look how they pop in. They pop in, they open, they releasing all that deliciousness. You see that, guys? Yes, this is the way how you want it. So now I'm going to add the apples to it.
I have a question. So that's how they make cranberry juice? Put it in hot water so it open and let out the juice?
I don't know. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, let me measure it, a little bit of cranberry juice also to it, to the sauce, and I'm going to leave that for at least 5 minutes to cook and do its thing. Let me add a little bit of more cinnamon because I like the smell inside my house now. Smell like Christmas. The flavor is bursting. All you can smell is cinnamon, sugar, and cranberries and apple. So I'm just adding a little bit cinnamon powder to it. Some more. No, it's never too much. going to give that a stirring, and I'm going to leave it there to do its thing. So look at that. This is the way how you want it. So I'm just going to turn off my heat, and I'm going to leave it cool down, and I'm going to show you what I do next. For the cranberry sauce, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove a little bit from it, and I'm going to place it in the NutriBullet. Just like that, just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more cranberry juice to it. About that. And I'm going to blend it up. Like this. And then I'm going to come back over here to the stove, and I'm going to add it inside the pot. It's a long process, but it's worth it. When you finish, it really worth it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of dry cranberries to the sauce, and I'm going to turn on the heat and leave that for like 3 seconds, and that's it. My cranberry sauce is finished. Look how lovely and delicious this is. My cranberry sauce is finished. Look at that deliciousness. Look. So I'm just going to take it and put it inside a mason jar until I'm ready for it. And that's it, your cranberry sauce for your Thanksgiving. You can even use this cranberry sauce for dessert also. Remember to tell a friend about us.
To like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, tell a friend to 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 tell everyone about us. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and bye guys.